Turning to the coronavirus, the coordinator of the White House task force says we've entered a new phase because of how quickly this virus is spreading. The CDC is predicting more than 180,000 deaths in the U.S. by August 22nd. It comes amid growing concern about schools reopening and pro sports resuming. ABC's Megan Tevrizian has the overnight developments.
This morning, a new warning about the spread of the virus as the U.S. braces for nearly 30,000 new deaths in the coming weeks.
What we're seeing today is different from March and April. It is extraordinarily widespread.
Coronavirus Task Force Coordinator Dr. Deborah Burks saying we're now in a new phase of the pandemic.
It's into the rural as equal urban areas. And to everybody who lives in a rural area, you are not immune or protected from this virus.
New numbers from the CDC reveal Hispanics are disproportionately affected by the virus, with 1 out of every 5 deaths among Hispanics caused by COVID, according to a Washington Post analysis. In California, 57% of all virus-related deaths reported in the last week of June were Hispanics. Dr. Burks now urging multi-generational families to take extra precautions.
If you're in multi-generational households and there's an outbreak in your rural area or in your city, you need to really consider wearing a mask at home.
But on Sunday, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi blasted Dr. Burks and the federal response, saying she doesn't have confidence in the doctor.
I think the president is spreading disinformation about the virus, and she is his appointee.
It comes as a White House testing czar, Brett Giroir, responds to recent tweets from the president promoting hydroxychloroquine. The admiral saying there's no evidence it helps.
I think we need to move on from that and talk about what is effective.
22 states plus D.C. and Puerto Rico now seeing cases climb.
I don't really know how our family got the virus.
In Georgia, high school student Justin Hunter lost both his parents to the virus. His mom and dad dying in the same hospital 2 weeks after being diagnosed.
My mom, when she would go to the store, she would be wearing a mask, she would be wearing gloves.
Nearby, a summer camp is closed after the CDC says at least 260 campers and workers tested positive despite safety measures.
What we want to do is show you the things that we're going to do to keep your camper safe.
Officials in Louisiana now say children make up 10% of their reported cases, surpassing cases in adults over 70. Meanwhile, a New York cruise company is in hot water after one of its boats was spotted this weekend packed with nearly 200 people. The owners and captain arrested.
You're the St. Louis Cardinals. This is exactly what you do not want to see.
And new trouble in the sports world. The St. Louis Cardinals postponing today's game in Detroit after 4 more people with the team tested positive.
And that is a strikeout, 2 in the inning.
And in the NFL, Philadelphia Eagles head coach Doug Peterson testing positive. The team says he's asymptomatic and in self-quarantine.
Meanwhile, just weeks after getting the green light to set sail in some countries, one cruise ship is reporting a new outbreak. A ship in Norway reports 40 people have tested positive, forcing nearly 400 guests to quarantine. Kenneth, Mona.
Megan, thank you.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.